stop scrolling. What if you could clone your voice, dub your videos into 100+ languages, and transcribe a 5-hour file in minutes, all inside one platform? And the best part? You get lifetime access for a tiny, one-time price. Today, I'm reviewing Unmixr AI, the most complete AI voiceover, transcription, and dubbing platform built for creators, YouTubers, businesses, podcasters, educators, agencies, basically anyone who wants to create high-quality audio or multilingual content fast. And trust me, this deal's insane. The power of Unmixr AI. Unmixr AI comes with 1,300+ ultra-realistic AI voices across 150+ languages. Not robotic, not flat, but emotional, expressive, and incredibly human-like. You can create YouTube voiceovers, audiobooks, podcast narration, characters and dialogues, multilingual voiceovers, even ads and promos with fixed lengths, and it even supports voice cloning in 13 languages, so you can speak in multiple accents, tones, and emotions using your own voice. Text-to-speech that actually sounds human. This is where Unmixr truly shines. You can adjust pitch, speed, emotions, intensity, style, pauses, and even pronunciation libraries. They even support long-form TTS, up to 200,000 characters in a single request. That's over 3.5 hours of audio in one click. Plus, you get multi-voice storytelling, background music, audio merging, and more. Lightning-fast transcription. If you create podcasts, courses, YouTube content, interviews, or client videos, this is gold. Upload files up to 5 GB, and Unmixr will transcribe with insane accuracy, detect who's speaking, let you rename speakers, auto-generate subtitles, clean the transcript, summarize the content, export to TXT, docx, SRT, or VTT. Even bulk export entire folders. The accuracy is so good that people compared it to tools like Whisper, Descript, and Trint, but faster and more organized. This alone is worth more than the price of the deal. Dubbing Studio, game changer. This is crazy powerful. You can take any video, documentary, YouTube content, interviews, training videos, and dub it into 100+ languages. Just follow the 3 steps. Transcribe, translate, dub, and boom, multilingual video. Keep your original speakers, keep their emotion, and export everything. MP4, subtitles, clean transcript, dubbed audio. This feature alone is what big YouTubers and agencies are using to reach global audiences. Not just audio, a complete AI toolkit. Unmixr AI is more than a voice tool. You also get AI Chatbot, document chat, AI writing templates, copywriting tools, document translation, PDF, docx, Excel, CSV, and more. AI image generation. One platform, endless use cases. Everything from audio, video, scripts, translations, and images, all in one place. Real users love it. People describe Unmixr as better than ElevenLabs, faster than anything else, a daily tool in my workflow, worth every dollar. The reviews are insane, especially for voice quality, speed, and dubbing accuracy. The lifetime deal, right now you're getting Unmixr AI for a one-time payment of just $79, instead of the regular $420. That's 81% off. And it's a lifetime deal. No subscriptions, no limits, no recurring payments. Check the link in the description or in the pinned comment section to grab the deal before it disappears. This is a tool you'll use every single day, especially if you create video content, podcasts, or online courses. Unmixr AI is hands down one of the most complete AI voice and transcription platforms I've tested this year. If you want to scale your content, go global, or save hours every week, this is a no-brainer. Grab the deal while it's still available. You won't regret it.